Guess what, Emily?
What?
Culinary 3 is making delicious hummus out of the garbanzo beans from the student pantry.
Really? What for?
They're going to be giving it out at lunch on Friday.
For students to try?
Yeah, you'll be able to try it at the culinary room.
Go. Okay, hello, my name is Mike Fisher. I'm the culinary arts teacher here at San Mateo High School. Today we are working on a project where we take food from our pantry, which is available to all the students for free, and we're taking some of that food that has not been so popular and is still inside the pantry, and we are turning that into a dish that the students hopefully will love, and we're going to give them a recipe card so they can make it again at home.
We have lemon juice, tahini, cumin, garbanzo beans, and salt. Yeah, it's pretty fun to make. It's my first time making it, so.
Ingredient today is chickpeas or garbanzo beans. So we have a lot of garbanzo beans in there. I encourage everybody to go grab some. Come out to lunch. We're going to be giving you a sample of the hummus we're making with some pita bread, and then we'll give you a recipe that you could take home and make this hummus at home.